What's up guys, Team 3D on deck. I'm about to show you how to make some bomb ass meatballs. First you might need a few things. 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 egg, some breadcrumbs, some type of seasoning, some deli style turkey, some cheese, and of course the ground meat. Alright, so first you're going to want to set your oven to 400. Next you want to chop this shit up like so. Put it in the food processor if you want it extra fine, like my women. Next you want to chop up your turkey. You don't really need a lot. You want to chop it real fine too. Next you want to get a large bowl. Add meat. Break it down. Add an egg. Some breadcrumbs. Some seasoning, some more seasoning. Next you want to add the bell peppers and onions. Then get to work, Team 3D style. Make sure you wash your hands. Once your ground meat looks like this, you want to get one of these and put it like this. Okay, now you actually want to start making the meatballs. You want to grab a small piece of meat, roll it up, shape it with your hands. I'd say about like this, maybe smaller or larger, and put them in the pan. So as you can see, I have the meatballs here. Now comes the fun part, stuffing them. Alright, so you want to take that turkey that we had earlier and divide it up into 5 pieces like I have here, and add some cheese with it too. Not a lot. Should look something like this when you're finished. Alright, so this is probably the trickiest part, stuffing the meatballs, because sometimes they tend to fall apart. So what you want to do is grab one, flatten it with your hands, take your first pile, put it in there, like so, and then you want to take both hands, close it. Roll it up like that. That's it. Another thing that might help, if you have a wet rag and a dry rag, you kind of half-ass wash your hands between each meatball use because it gets kind of sticky. If you can't seem to get the meatballs to close, try doing this. Alright, so once you have your meatballs properly stuffed, last step is put them in the oven. Alright guys, almost forgot the special ingredient. Not. Full of protein. Get it! Put it in there. About 45 minutes should do. Team 3D, we always on time. I wish you could smell this right now. Hopefully you'll be able to. I'm going to add 1 scoop of roux and some water. Kind of stir it. Kind of smells like chocolate. Now depending on how dark you want it, you might want to add more roux or more water. More seasoning. Also like some boiled eggs. Some instant brown rice. You want to add the meatballs?
No, you can't right now.
I'm making a video. Here's the secret right here. chop up some salad if you want to. Alright, so as you can see, we got the final product here. Got the meatballs, some turkey and cheese. I substituted the rice for some leftover black beans. Got the egg, salad with olive oil, and a bottle of water. Team 3D style. Get at me. We out this. Not just in the gym, dominating the kitchen too. Dominance, discipline, direction.